Welcome back. If you watched part 1, you already know about the first 5 things keeping you broke. Rely on one income, scrolling instead of building, avoiding high-income skills, running from sales, and chasing quick money. Now we're diving into the final 5 that destroy your mindset and keep you stuck forever. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now, because these next 5 are the real killers. Let's jump straight into thing number 6. Thing number 6, ignoring your network. Your environment shapes your mindset. Low-level conversations keep you stuck. If everyone around you is broke, complaining, making excuses, and talking about what they're going to do someday, you'll stay exactly like them. Proximity matters more than you think. You become the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. And if those 5 people are going nowhere, neither are you. In 2026, your network is your net worth. If you're not around people who are building, learning, and growing, you're around people who are keeping you small. Change your circle or stay broke. It's that simple. Thing number 7, bad money habits. Spending everything you earn. No saving, no investing. Lifestyle over stability. You get paid, and it's gone by the end of the week. New shoes. Going out. Upgrading your lifestyle every time you make a little more money. You're on a hamster wheel. Earning, spending, never building anything. No emergency fund. No investments. No assets. Just consumption. In 2026, broke people spend money to look rich. Rich people save and invest money to become actually rich. Every dollar you spend on lifestyle is a dollar not working for your future. And that's why you're stuck. Thing number 8, being addicted to comfort. Avoiding hard work and pressure. Choosing easy over necessary. You want the results, but you're not willing to do what's uncomfortable. You want the money, but you won't do the hard conversations. You want the business, but you won't work the long hours. You want the skills, but you won't push through the learning curve. Growth requires discomfort. And if you're starting to realize how much comfort is costing you, show some love and hit that subscribe button. Success lives on the other side of comfort, but you'll never find it if you keep choosing what feels easy over what's necessary. Thing number 9, not taking action. Overthinking everything. Waiting for the perfect time. You've been researching for 6 months. You've watched every video. You've read every article. You've planned everything out, but you haven't done anything. You're waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, the perfect conditions. Newsflash, they don't exist. Execution is what changes lives. Not planning, not preparation. Action, messy and perfect. Learn as you go action. The people winning in 2026 aren't the smartest. They're the ones who move fastest. Start before you're ready. Figure it out along the way, because waiting for perfect means staying broke forever. And thing number 10, blaming everything but yourself. Blaming the system, people, luck. The economy is bad. My parents didn't help me. I didn't have the right opportunities. The system is rigged. Maybe some of that's true. But you know what? While you're blaming, someone else with your exact background is building. No accountability equals no progress. Ownership is where change begins. The moment you take full responsibility for where you are, not blame, not shame, just ownership, that's when everything shifts. Because if it's your fault, you can fix it. But if it's everyone else's fault, you're powerless. And that's exactly where you'll stay. So there they are, all 10 things that will keep you broke in 2026. One income, endless scrolling, no valuable skills, avoiding sales, chasing quick money, wrong network, terrible money habits, comfort addiction, no action, and zero accountability. If you're doing even 3 of these, you're going to stay exactly where you are. But here's the good news, you now see them, and you can't change what you can't see. So here's your challenge. Pick 2 habits in this entire list that you're guilty of. Just 2. Commit to changing them this month. Drop them in the comments. Write fixing thing hashtag and thing hashtag for accountability. And if this opened your eyes to what's been holding you back, smash that subscribe button right now, because I'm dropping truth bombs like this every single week. 2026 is going to separate the people who change from the people who complain. Which one will you be? Your choice starts today.